Hi guys, welcome back. Aquarius horoscope. September month. What will be main things if you are going to see? There may be a need for a relocation, but not in the sense of changing homes. But you need to find your own place and to answer the questions you have been asking yourself for the past few months. Limited BA believes that you are slowing down your personal growth need to be eliminated. You spend time alone so that you can determine what your inner self wants. Notice when what you are bigger fears and fight them so that you can move forward. Aquarius will be in full working mood as far as career goes. Also eager to become more knowledgeable, to collaborate with their colleagues, to exchange the most practical ideas and help their companies achieve the best results. They will have an amazing intellectual power that will bring them both professional and financial benefits. So they should expect their income to increase. Coming to the love horoscope for September. Aquarius, who happen to be in a relationship that will have a smooth September. The presence of the North Node and the seventh house on Capricorn indicating they have to value their partner more. To no longer they have any prejudice and hold to old beliefs. Chiron being the retrograde in the fifth house of the goat sends to how important it is to heal some wounds from childhood, to no longer hold on what they have believed in the sometime. Also to reconcile with their partner in a case they had some problems in their relationship. At the same time, they need to always remember how important their family for their the evolution. There once more astrological aspects that suspend to their family. And that is the full moon in the sign of the Pisces on September 14th. The full moon is going to be touch the third house of Capricorn on this date. And this will be a result to be a family reconciliation. Remember that Neptune will be the retrograde together with the Lilith in the third house of the goat. So it may bring some wrong notions of the what's real. Full moon in the sign of the Pisces will have the you observing the situation very clearly, so also understanding what compassion is and the feelings of other coming to the career and finances. Most bearers will be looking to important changes in their career, as September is going to bring them new job opportunities or chance for them to change their professional activity and turn it into something new. Those of them will be given the opportunity to make a change would should consider the situation carefully, as they wouldn't want to make a mistake. Either way, their profession is going to be more intense and filled with opportunities that they need to know how to make advantage of in order to obtain many benefits. So it's important their financial situation improves, as they have wasted their money in the past few months. In other words, you need to pay attention to your spending. Learn how to keep budget if you don't want to end up broke. I mean, the health is the wealth. Making considerable intellectual efforts in the work and career sectors. Aquarius physically will have to suffer. They may experience pain in the neck and low back. If they want to solve such problems, they need to rest and let go of all the putting pressure on the body. In case of exhaustion, they just need to take some time off and no longer think about responsibilities. This is about for this month. Thank you so much, and subscription.